Jesús Garcia Mejia Valle, and this time we will take a little about the manual diesel engine introduction. At its canal, there are two types of engines, that is external combustion engine and internal combustion engine. Combustion engine. Example of external combustion engine are coal or oil steam engines, and those with an internal combustion engine are gasoline and diesel and gas engines. In external combustion engine, coal or liquid fuel is burned outside the cylinder, but the combustion engine, the fuel burns inside the cylinder. Compression ratio. The compression ratio of engines is the ratio of the total volume, cleaning volume plus squeeze volume, and clearance volume in the outer words. This relationship is indicative of the degree of compression of trapped air. Cyclic operation. In any compression ignition engine, the following in prerequisite mode be met: suction or induction. Suction or induction. The suction or induction of fresh coal air must take place for the purpose of producing oxygen for combustion of fuel, as also for the escaping of the burn gas and taking away heat from the combustion chamber component. Compression. Once the air is drained in, the air inlet base is closed. The trapped air is compressed due to upward the movement of piston. Once the air is highly compressed, it attains high temperature. At this stage, fuel is injected before TDC for combustion to start. Firing power. Very shortly after the injection, the firing takes place at peak pressure. It attains hot after TDC. The expansion of gas provided the force of power which drives the piston back to rotating the crankshaft. Exhaust. After the fuel is burned out, the burned gas had to fill base to add more shape, so that the space can be made for accommodating fresh air for the next cycle of the operation. 4-stroke, 2-stroke cycle. While in 4-stroke cycle engine, suction, compression, fuel injection, exhaust and escaping are complete in 4-stroke of the piston or revolutions of the crank. In the stroke engines, this air completion in 2-stroke of the piston or 1 revolution. Of the crankshaft, they are various. The same of 2-stroke cycle engine, both one till common. It all is that it is comparative as air is essential for the purpose of the escaping right from the lowest power out. We are in case of 4-stroke cycle engine, a flat power length is worked as a natural aspirative engine. Thank you so much.